Hello folks, as you can see we got the smoker or the barbecue pit fired up and the smoker porch right here, but we decided we was gonna cook up some more of our fresh pork that we killed off the lease, and this was a small hog. Everything is from the garden here. As you can see, we got bell peppers, banana peppers, sweet peppers, tomatoes, onion. There's a little bit of everything in there with them deer shoulders, plus potatoes. The only thing we didn't grow was the potatoes and the onions. And we fixing to put this on the pit, and this is what's going to be for supper. That bad boy is hot. Have a great day. Bye.